How to make a natural oregano and honey cough syrup drink using Travel French Press. Oregano is believed to fight coughs and colds. Mixed with honey, it can also soothe a sore throat and expel the phlegm. We'll need fresh oregano, honey, Travel French Press, and hot water. Take off the mug lid and plunger carefully. Pick fresh oregano leaves and wash them thoroughly. Then put the leaves one by one in the mug. Add hot water. Add a small amount of fresh honey. Cover the mug back. Wait for at least 4 minutes before pressing the plunger. Enjoy your drink while it's hot.